Dear friends, welcome back to your own channel Mogame Tech. We welcomes you to the world of mobile gamings and technology. Today our device is OPPO new offering Reno4 series. Please have a look.
Let it go, that's what they tell me. Up the tempo, that's my chemistry. Keep it shining, keep your head high, and put your hands up and reach to the sky. I know what you want, and I know what you need. Anything at all, you must believe.
So friends, Reno4 and Reno4 Pro launch with a Snapdragon 765G processor with 65-watt fast charging and thin form factor. The Reno4 and Reno4 Pro are upper mid-range smartphone featuring a powerful camera setup optimized for videography. Another big highlight of the new OPPO Reno4 series is its slim and lightweight form factor. Believe me, it is really stunning. The standard Reno4 weighs 183 grams and measures 7.8 mm in thickness. However, the Reno4 Pro has a even slimmer 7.6 mm body, weight just 172 grams. This makes the Pro model one of the lightest 5G smartphone in the market right now. Between these two models, the OPPO Reno4 Pro is the real star of the series, featuring a curved AMOLED panel. We having third 3D curved glasses off back either. For better ergonomics, the standard Reno4 comes with a simple flat AMOLED panels. Both the phones have a triple camera setup, but the Pro variant packs a more powerful setup. You also get a bunch of fancy colors on the Reno4 Pro, including the brand new Reno Glow Blue, Reno Glow Red color variant. These even a Pantene Summer Green edition, which you can glitter green color for Pro model as well, alongside the other two regular black and white color. But for Reno4 there are three colors, which is diamond blue, black and white. As in terms of processor, they are powered by a Snapdragon's mid-range 765G processor, which is specifically made for 5G technology. Both the phones Reno4 and Reno4 Pro are powered by Snapdragon 765G processor, which is able to handle 5G technology as well. The GPU unit is 620 Adreno GPU, which can be able to handle a high intensity graphical game as well. Both the phones are come with liquid cooling technology as well, so that while using heavy games or doing a intensive heavy task, the phone doesn't feel overheated. The Reno4 is come with 8GB of RAM variant, but there is no high variant for 12GB. But in terms of Reno4 Pro, there are two variants, which is 8GB and 12GB. Both the models having a ROM option of 128GB and 256GB. The battery is 4000 mAh for both the phones. It's slightly higher in Reno4, which is 4020 mAh. Both the phones are powered by 65-watt fast charging technology. The price starting range from Reno4 is 31,999, and for Reno4 it is 40,500, which is expected to be launched in India as well. As for the display, the Reno4 comes with a 6.4-inch Full HD AMOLED panel, while the Reno4 Pro has a much better 6.5-inch Full HD curved display AMOLED panel. Both the phone having 90 Hz refresh rate with 180 Hz touch sampling rate. They having DCI P3 color gamut with HDR10 plus support. The another big feature exclusive to the Reno4 series is dual stereo speaker with Dolby Atmos. The cameras are the main highlight of these two phones. The Reno4 comes with 48MP IMX 586 camera. It having OIS. The secondary camera is 12MP IMX 708, while the third is 13MP telephoto camera with 5x optical zoom and 20x digital support zoom. While the Reno4 is come with 48MP 586 camera with 8MP ultra-wide lens and 2MP black and white sensor. Both the phones are capable of laser light photography and laser light sensor. In terms of front camera, the Reno4 Pros come with 32MP AI single Sony IMX 586 sensor, while in terms of Reno4 it's come with dual 32 plus 2MP camera, which is capable of stable video stabilization mode. The new Reno4 series add a live HDR video mode and 21:9 custom video movie shooting mode. with manual parameter adjustment options, which the company claims offer a more professional shooting experience you have ever have. Both the models come with OPPO's ultra clear low light algorithm, which was reputedly developed for more than a year in the company's institute. The new night algorithm enables clear and colorful night videos. They also support OPPO's video enhancement feature. The another feature is super anti-shake video mode. You can say it OPPO's video anti-shake 3.0 technology when using the ultra-wide angle sensor as well front camera video stabilization. OPPO is providing a solo video editor as well for all the soundtracks and transitions. Now it is come with 65-watt charging support, and I am just presenting you some of the pictures which I have taken with Reno3 Pro and Reno4 Pro. So you can have a look over this and just comment me below that which image you find is more crisp and more detailed. So now heading towards the color, because OPPO and Vivo both are the phone which offering so many color as well. So this devices come in 5 different colors. This is my personal favorite, which is green glitter. Another 2 is definitely the white and the black, and it is a stunning black, as well as the crimson red is mine favorite too. Another one color is the blue. So there are total 5 colors, which is green, white, black, red and blue. One more, or you can say additional feature of this phone is that Reno4 series is come with color OS 7.2. Yeah, it is official now that this is the device which come with 7.2. So I hope you enjoy this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe our channel, and if you have any comment, just comment it down. Thanks a lot.